After you've purchased your K-line irrigation system from your dealer, the first step you'll take in installing the system is to review the engineering plan the dealer has given you. The engineering plan is specific for your application needs. Your plan will show the distance between each pod and the length of your feeder line. Next, roll out your tubing. You can do this in many different ways. You can unroll your tubing by hand or use a spool-out reel. You must be careful not to twist the tubes when unrolling or placing the pods. When the pods are in place, it's necessary to assemble the sprinklers and attach the sprinklers to the tubing. First, drill a hole into the pipe with a 9/16 spade bit using the green line or lines as a guide for the placement of the hole. Next, place the tapping saddle over the hole in the U-bolt that is molded into the pod. Check the saddle before assembly to make sure there is a rubber O-ring on the saddle. Now, align the saddle with the hole in the pipe and tighten the nuts over the washers. It is important to tighten each side evenly so that the saddle is parallel to the bottom of the pod. If this is not done properly, the adapters and sprinklers will be at an angle, and the discharge stream will not clear the top of the pod. Tighten the adapter and sprinkler assembly into the saddle. You can easily hand tighten the sprinkler head into the riser. There are different sprinkler options available. Always refer to the dealer plan to determine the proper sprinkler head.
It's not.
Next, you'll start flagging the pod locations in your field. Measure the distance between each pod with a measuring wheel or a tape. A fast and easy way to place the pods is to hook the lip of the last pod and slide it to the locations. Your plan will show the distance between each pod and the length of your feeder line. When you install the fittings on the tubing, it's important to start with a straight cut on the tube. A clean cut ensures proper seat. Once you've properly installed the fitting into the tubing, thread the fitting over the pipe and use a pipe wrench to tighten them. Once your pod line is complete, Connect the pod line to the feed line with a quick connect fitting. Next, turn the water on to flush out any foreign objects out of the line. Now you're ready to start irrigating. Should you have any questions regarding your K-line irrigation system, contact your dealer.